Solve the following equations for x as an element of or. Log base 10x plus log base 10 6 is equal to log base 10 42. We're going to use law 1 of logs to change log base 10x plus log base 10 6 into log base 10 x multiplied by 6. X multiplied by 6 is going to be 6x, so we end up with log base 10 6x on the left of the equal side and log base 10 42 on the right of the equal side. Since we have the same base on either side, log base 10, we can cancel out the logs. So we're going to cancel out log base 10 and log base 10 on the left and the right of the equal sign. So we're left with 6x is equal to 42. Now we just solve for x, so x is going to be 42 divided by 6, so x is going to be 7. Now we have to check if we're right by subbing x equals 7 back into the original equation. So our original equation was log base 10x plus log base 10 6 is equal to log base 10 42. We're swapping the x for a 7. Log base 10 7 plus log base 10 6 is going to become log base 10 7 multiplied by 6 using law 1 of logs. 7 times 6 is 42. So we're going to have log base 10 42 equal to log base 10 42, which is correct, so our equations balance, so x is equal to 7. Solve the following equations for x as an element of or. Log base 4 5 minus log base 4x is equal to 2. We're going to use law 2 of our log laws to change log base 4 5 minus log base 4x into log base 4 5 divided by x. So the subtraction becomes divide. So using law 2. Next we are going to use our scorpion tail method to rewrite our log as an indice. So 4 to the power of 2 is going to give us 5 over x. So we start at the base, which is 4. We wrap our scorpion tail around the 2 past the equal sign and end up at the 5 over x. So 4 to the power of 2 is going to equal 5 over x. 4 to the power of 2 equals 5 over x. 4 squared gives us 16, so 16 equals 5 over x. And we want to break up this fraction, so we're going to have 5 divided by x. The opposite of divide is multiply. So we're going to multiply by x on either side. So we get 16 multiplied by x is 16x. And we're just left with 5 on the right hand side. So we had to multiply both sides by x to break up the fraction. So 16x equals 5, so x is going to be 5 over 16. Alternatively, we could have changed a 16 into 16 over 1 and cross multiplied and then solved for x.